igebra.ai is on a mission to provide an equitable education in mathematics for kids regardless of their social and economic conditions. To achieve this, we have initiated Math4ALL, a global outreach program designed to make kids at the grassroots level fall in love with math and score well. In terms of resources, kids from the grassroots often have to find their way on their own with whatever is available to them. Due to their financial limitations, they often are unable to participate in crucial training opportunities. Without access to the same resources as their urban counterparts, these children often have to work much harder to achieve the same level of education. This can be a difficult and discouraging process, but the stories of those who have overcome these obstacles are an inspiration to us all. Team igebra.ai conducted a Math4ALL workshop at Zilla Parishad High School, Ankireddypalli, Nandyal District, Andhra Pradesh for the students of grades 9th and 10th on 19th December 2022 in association with Ultra Tech Community Welfare Foundation Ankireddypalli Group. As part of Math4ALL, we provide resources and support to help kids of all levels gain a strong foundation in math. We believe that by instilling the fundamentals of math in kids, we can help them develop important life skills such as critical and logical thinking. Additionally, we hope that our efforts will help more kids across the world gain access to science and technology. Our workshop focused on teaching kids a method of multiplication that is result-driven and simple to understand. It was very rewarding to see the kids doing well and building tables up to 99. We had great interactions with the kids in later sessions and discovered that they were having trouble understanding geometry. To help address this, our trainers delivered a session on geometry in an easy and enjoyable way. The students were taken through a series of fun and engaging activities that helped them better understand the concepts. This captivated the students and gave them the opportunity to successfully solve problems. Overall, the students had a great time and left the workshop with a better understanding of mathematics. We would like to truly appreciate the warm welcome and support we received from Mr. Surapanaidu Garu and Mr. Gopal Reddy Garu for this workshop to be yet another success tale to tell. We are looking forward to conducting more workshops in Nandyal district in order to support the community there. We are committed to make math inclusive and empower kids at grassroots level across the globe to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more.
చాలా ఈజీగా ఉన్నాయి. మీరు వచ్చి చెప్పడం వల్ల మన ఆలోచనలు ఏంటి ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఇలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు, ఆన్లైన్ చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. టేబుల్స్ ఎవరికి 15 to 20 వరకు ఈ మెథడ్లో ఎలా మెథడ్లో చేస్తే ఈజీగా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు.